I don't know how, लेकिन how much ever I try to be on time, I'll always be late. It is inevitable. It has to happen. But yeah, on the way now, on the way. Okay, so I've got my card, and guess what? I am on time. In fact, I'm before time.
So I'm an international student. I'm originally from Singapore. I've been in Australia for about 10 years. Like I did my undergrad in UniMel. RMIT is better, but I'm not just saying that because you're better than me. But I think y'all definitely made the right choice. My experience at UniMel was very theoretical. Like I had a class about, sorry, sidebar, but I had a class about building a website, and we basically wrote an essay about how to build a website. But here you'll actually build the website, so you'll make the right choice.
Have already enrolled in the courses, right? The 4 courses.
Yeah, so one thing that I'd like to add here. So there are 2 modules that they have, which is not the part of the program. Lekin a rule is that if you don't complete these 2 modules, you'll not be allowed to sit in the next semester. चाहे फिर आपने distinction से भी पास क्यों ना किया हो, like 70%, 80%, if you don't complete these 2 modules, one is academic integrity and the नेक्स्ट इज सेक्शन कंसेंट. तो मतलब एक होता है कि बोलना, बताना कि ऐसा करो ऐसा मत करो, एंड दूसरा होता है कि उसके ऊपर पूरा मॉड्यूल बना देना. सो आई हाईली अप्रिशिएट, मतलब ये चीज़ मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग लगी कि आपने पूरा मॉड्यूल ही बना दिया. इससे वजह होता है कि ये लोग सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए ये नहीं करते, ये लोग एक्चुअल में these people value these things. Academic integrity is like how honest you are with your work, and section consent, so I don't need to tell you. So I mean, back to the video now. So that is the end of the day. बढ़िया था यार. It was exactly, not exactly what somewhat जो मैंने expect किया था वैसा ही था. Not huge but not bad as well. It depends on what you're going for, what your approach is. So my approach was very specific. I was looking for who my professors are and what my course is all about. So I wanted to know, how do they go about their studies and क्या process follow करता है. So my both boxes were checked. But if you are someone who is specifically going for networking and meeting new people, so that is also a good approach to have. You can do that as well. Now why specifically I went for this approach and not that is because I knew that 70 to 90% there will be Indian students. And I don't know, but Indian students like फिर क्या मतलब इंटरनेशनल ऐसे अब्रॉड पढ़ाई करने का जब तुमको इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ही इंटरेक्ट करना है. एंड इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स का ऐसा है कि फॉर मी टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम आई कैन डू दैट एनी डे. मतलब इतने सारे फेसबुक पेजेस है एंड इतने सारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ऑलरेडी, एंड इंडियन कम्युनिटी तो वैसे भी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो फॉर मी टू कम्युनिकेट विद देम आई डोंट नीड अ स्पेशल ओरिएंटेशन. उनके साथ मैं कहीं भी कम्युनिकेट कर सकता हूँ. एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द लेक्चर्स नाउ. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे इन लोग की पढ़ाई होती है, देखना है थोड़ा. सो या इट वाज अ गुड डे. 7 दिन हो गए भाई इस लाइट को फ्लिकर करते हुए. 7 दिन से मैं ऐसे पास हो रहा हूँ, या ऐसी है इसकी हालत. करो भाई इसको ठीक.